Okay, welcome. Good morning. 8th A class, Maths chapter number 4, altitude and median. These two new word, new construction related to the triangle we will learn. Two new word, altitude and median. What is the meaning of altitude? The triangle is like that. And if from the vertex is perpendicular drawn on an opposite side, so this is known as altitude. So definition. Segment passing through one vertices and perpendicular on opposite side is known as from a vertices and perpendicular to the opposite. Again from the vertices perpendicular to the opposite. Again vertex is perpendicular to the opposite. So in one triangle there are three altitudes. All three will pass from one point. So two or more than two line, if will pass from one point, all three lines are said to be concurrent. Only two line always pass from one point, common point. But more than two line, it cannot pass or can pass. See here 3 points here. So this is concurrent, this is concurrent. Two line or more than two line when pass from one point, it is said to be concurrent point. That point is said to be concurrent and line is said to be concurrent line. This is concurrent point. This is concurrent point and these two line concurrent line. These three lines concurrent. First altitude. What is altitude? A segment passing from the vertices when it is perpendicular exactly 90 degree to the opposite side. It is the first altitude. From second point again perpendicular. From third point again perpendicular. All three altitudes will pass from one point only. If it is not passing from one point, your diagram is 100% wrong. You have to do it again. So altitude means a segment passing from the vertices and exactly perpendicular to the opposite side. Next, to a whose mic is whose camera is on? Close. Yasir. Close the camera. there are three altitude line or segment. Always it will pass from one point. Two line always pass from one point. Two line always pass from one point, common point. But three line, it can be drawn like this, can be drawn like this. So if all three more than two line, if pass through the single point, then it is said to be concurrent line. Lines are said to be concurrent line. Point is said to be concurrent point. Now, how to draw? This is A point, this is B point. From A point, you have to draw perpendicular line. So, this is your triangle. So, from A you want, no? So, on BC you have to put this straight line. Then you have to pass slowly, slowly, slowly. Now, A point come. So, here, from here you can draw one perpendicular line. Now from B, move this triangle from BA. When it comes to this, if you will draw 2, 4, 3, no use of this rectangle square. You can pass this point from this. So this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. So this is P, this is Q, this is R. AP, BQ, CR perpendicular to AP perpendicular to BC, BQ perpendicular to AC, CR perpendicular to AB. So, with the help of this triangle, it is given in your compass box, you can draw. And always it will pass through single point, and that single point is always O, orthocenter. O for orthocenter. Now in different type of triangle we will try. Which are different type of the triangle? That is acute triangle. Acute triangle means all angles are less than 90. Acute. Right angle triangle. All are less than 90. One is 90. One is more than 90. A, B, C. From all point we have to draw perpendicular. How to do? From A I want to draw. So on BC I will move up to A. A, E. Now from AB I will move. This is on AB. So move up to C point. Then no need to find third one directly. This is orthocenter P, Q, R. How to draw? With the help of triangle, 3 altitude, 100% it should pass from O, concurrent point. If it is not passing, if it is like this, if you will form this triangle, your diagram is wrong. Now already from this perpendicular is given. From this already perpendicular is given. Both are perpendicular. From the vertex is opposite side perpendicular. From the vertex is opposite side perpendicular. Given already. Now this will be better for you. Okay, this on AC you will move. Now B comes. So this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular. Now in acute inside triangle, right angle triangle, O is on right angle. Your O is inside, your O is on the circle. Now obtuse O will be outside. Right angle of triangle. Now for that you have to extend this. For that you have to extend this also. Okay. Now slide on this triangle. You have to slide on a red mark. So from C on opposite side I have drawn 90 degree. Now slide on BC. From A on BC. So that you have to extend. Okay, then directly you can draw with this two. So this is 90. So from B 90 on this, from A 90 on this, from C 90 on this. This is O. C when it is acute angle, O is inside. When it is right angle triangle, it is exactly on the triangle. When it is obtuse triangle, it is outside the triangle. Inside on outside. Yasir, why you are making your video on again and again? Okay, just take screenshot. Then you will start median. Like this only you have to draw. second. Now second topic, median. Median means middle point. A segment joining vertex and a middle point of opposite side, that is a median. Same all point we will see median. It is 6 centimeter, it is 8 centimeter, it is 10 centimeter. 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. This is A, this is B, this is C. 6 centimeter, so take a midpoint, 3 centimeter, 3, so here P. 8 centimeter, take half, 4 centimeter, P, then Q. 10 centimeter, 5, P, Q, R. Now joint opposite. This is slightly joint opposite. Okay. So these are equal. So what will be the definition? Segment joining one vertex and midpoint of opposite side is said to be median. Vertex and opposite midpoint. In one triangle, there are 3 median. All are concurrent. All are passing through one point. And point is G. This always we have to denote by G. Previous one we have noted by O, that is orthocenter. This is G. On a stage performance, sometime you must have watched juggler or magician balancing something. On a cycle they balance bike, and on a single stick or a single point or knock point they can balance a big thing. So what is that point? It is a central gravitational point. On that they can balance. So this is the same. Now again in different type, obtuse, right angle triangle, acute, we will see. Acute. Right angle. obtuse. Acute, right angle, all are less than 60, all are less than 90, all are less than only one is 90, one is 90, right angle triangle. One angle is more than 90, it is obtuse, and all are less than 90, it is acute. Now find out the midpoint. This is a midpoint, this is a midpoint, this is a midpoint. So this is P, this is Q, this is R. Now join, these are the median. Vertex opposite. Vertex opposite. This is G always. Now this is midpoint. P, Q, R. Single mark, double mark, triple mark. Now vertex opposite midpoint. Vertex opposite midpoint. Vertex opposite midpoint. Inside the triangle, again inside the triangle. O can be out on the circle or on the triangle, in the triangle, out the triangle. But G, all three G will be inside. A opposite P, B opposite Q, C opposite middle. Now join A vertex to the opposite middle point. Vertex to the opposite middle point. Vertex to the opposite middle point. This is G. G is inside. Now G is a point on first median, second median, third median. First median, second median, third median. That now we have to calculate. Now calculation part very important. From G to vertex AG, BG, CG. Long part I have taken. Now small part AG, so rest of QG. BG, so GR, RG. CG, so GP, PG. Now here also AG, BG, CG. Now AG opposite PG, BG, GQ, RG. Here I have taken bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller. Now I will take smaller and bigger. PG, QG, RG. PG, AG. QG, BG. Now CG. Now with the measurement, I will measure. These three are the longest part. 1, 2, and 3. These are the shortest part. Same, longest part, shortest part. Here I have taken shortest part, lowest part. So find out longest part, AG. It is 8 centimeter. BG. It is 11 centimeter. CG. It is 10 centimeter. So no need to measure rest. Directly write down half. 4 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Again, if you will measure, you will get that. So this is 2:1. If it is larger to smaller ratio, always 2:1. Upon compared to this is half. Compared to this is double. Now again AG 12, BG 8, CG, that is also 12. Half 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now I am selecting. Now I am selecting small PG, that is 6 centimeter. GQ 4 centimeter. RG 5 centimeter. Now whose mic is on? Okay, now smaller I have taken, so the longer is double. 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. So if smaller to longer, it is 1:2. And longer to smaller. Read the question. You have to write 2:1 or 1:2. Again, somebody's mic is on. You people are not disturbing a lot. Now take a screenshot. Only one exercise remains, that is 4.1. In that actual measurement and the given as per the given alphabet we have to complete. And Vaishnavi send me boys present, girls present and total present. 4 or 5 within 2 days I will confirm. Now listen, you must have seen that anybody can come out from the outside and they are naming anything. Remove. Who is sharing? Remove. So like someone is sharing, someone is sending the message, someone is giving ID name gamer in PUBG and all that, and outsider also can enter. So this all nuisance we want to delete. That is why we are going from the school side. They are going to start one new online portal. In that you can enter by your GR number. So first find out your GR and by it. For parents and student, there will be a professional training will be conducted by your class teacher and one professional person. So they will guide you what to do. Very simple. Every day no need to wait for a link. Every day no need to wait for the timetable. As per your subject, no, directly you have to click and join, and automatically attendance will be also created. Automatically attendance will be created. Who will attend full lectures, only that will be present. Rest of Vaishnavi, remove, no, who is sharing, remove. Purposely they are doing. So that portal will come, and who will attend full lectures will be present, and in between come and go, they will be absent, and directly after the lecture to your parents message will go that you are present or absent, how many present, how many absent. Monthly also they will give the record. Homework also you can check on that portal, assignment, exam, everything on a single portal. Now we have lots of WhatsApp, no, 10-15 WhatsApp per standard. They all will be vanished, they all will be closed. Only one school portal. Okay, particularly they will give the training, don't worry.